he's not that good with Terran though. He panics too much.
Oh, your mama panics, man.
So yeah, we're gonna jump right into this game. And we have Jabel spawning at the 6 o'clock position. And Harmon spawning at the 11 o'clock position.
Og du skal ikke afsløre, hvor fuck jeg er hen, seriøst.
Jeg havde regnet ud, der er kun 2 baser.
Jeg skal stadig ikke afsløre.
Hvad?
Fuck, er det så regnet ud?
Det er det, jeg siger.
And we're just gonna see some SCV spamming from Jabel's side and some probe spamming from Harmon. Jabel sees the scouting.
Oh, det er scout! Ah! Ja, det er alligevel useless at scout nu.
Nej. Kraftedeme ikke.
Fuck af, mand! Eller jeg dræber dig.
Way too easy.
Dræb du den lige?
Stop, man! Gå lige væk!
Åh! Han går ikke, den der unge mand. Fuck, du flavor. Hvordan får jeg det her lort fucking lukket? Den går ikke.
Probe action from the Protoss. He always has one kill. And the pylon is up. He's building the fortune hole and he's counting the players. He's counting them really good.
Fucking lord, seriøst! Kom nu.
What is he gonna do? He doesn't have another probe. He doesn't have another probe. Is he gonna die? Is he gonna die? He's gonna get the cannon on. Is he gonna make it in time? Is he gonna make it? If this
Fucking lord,
shit,
man.
it could have crucial mechanics for the Protoss player.
For the big player, man.
Fuck dig, Jonah. Dit svin. Jeg skal nok huske dig, mand.
Du kommer bare.
Nej. Fuck.
Fuck, du fik mig bagud der, din fucking Asian.
But we have the Protoss player is having an APM of 132, while
Kan du se det, seriøst?
Jabel, yeah.
What?
And Jabel has the APM of 20.
20.
Ooh, and there we have it. 60 APM and Harmon has 0.
Oh, what?
Har jeg zero?
Nej,
Det er mig, der har.
Jeg kalder dem ordentligt navnet. And we have the APM is increasing!
What?
The APM is increasing, and we have... Ooh. So Jabel is gonna go with this build. Okay, that's very interesting.
Your mama is interesting, man.
Very interesting.
And a very... Yes, jeg er kommentator til det. Til turneringen. And we're gonna have Jabel building the second expansion right here at the clock position.
Jeg er klogt at sige, Markus. Fucking spasser.
Oh, he's gonna go with the Banshee. In comes the Banshee. Oh my god, it's a Reaper. Styr nu din Reaper for helvede. Oh, and we have the mechanics on the both sides, and the Terran player is gonna kite them. Ooh, he's gonna kill the probes. Maybe some. No, not the main base. He's gonna kill some probes, but hopefully. Oh my god, det er verdens værste kite, det der, men what are we gonna see?
Yes, man!
Oh, he's gonna do it! Oh my god, it's almost a kill for the Protoss player.
Oh hell no, not in my house, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals.
Well, we're gonna see some pretty fast mechanics from the Terran player actually. While the Protoss player is lacking a bit right now. He's not that fast in.
Of course he's lagging. He sucked, man.
He's not even building probes. Oh, there we go.
You have not enough minerals.
And We have Jabal with an SCV not doing anything. 2 SCVs not doing anything.
Not enough minerals.
That's not good from his side.
Oh, fuck. Oh, hell no. Oh, no.
And he has too much gas already.
Yes, because I love to gas your mama, man.
Stop med det der, John. Der sagde du lige, du kunne lige slå en ihjel.
No.
Det er jo gas ind.
Ja, med prutter. Shit, brain.
Interesting. Drenge, begge to ikke, de bygger alt for hurtigt gas.
Is under attack.
Og det er kæft.
I'm bare lige så jeg ved det.
What
and
the
we're gonna have
fuck?
some... Oh, and this could actually be the game changer. Harman doesn't have any men. He's gonna attack it with his probes. Oh, but the kiting from Jabal is too strong. Oh,
Damn, I'm good.
is Harman
Damn.
gonna block the entrance? Is Harman gonna block the entrance? Oh, he has it. He has it. Is he gonna kite it? John, kør nogle midt ned på din base imens, for helvede.
No shit!
Også dig, ikke, John. Der kør midt på jeres hovedbase. Så, yeah.
Jeg har alt for meget gas.
Ooh, and we're maybe gonna see some plays from the Harman player just soon enough. Oh, and here comes the Hellions and one Reaper. He should be attacking probes with one Reaper while he's attacking with the Hellions, but he's not.
Oh, what the fuck?
More Hell Reavers. Oh, he can't do anything against air. And he's getting pushed off. So, fairly reasonable beginning for both players. Køb nu nogle fucking arbejder, John.
Jeg er i gang!
Nej, du er ej. Oh, and we have an APM on the Protoss player, 120. Build some arbejder, Dan. Arbejder. Hvad er det mere af jeres arbejder, mand?
Hold nu kæft.
Nu ved jeg, hvad jeg har glemt.
Supply.
Jeg synes nok, jeg har glemt noget.
Husk at sætte den til at gå på mineraler efter, John. Ikke?
Ja,
Godt.
det var derfor, jeg ikke synes, der spawnede
Oh, and we're gonna. Oh, and Harman Jabal is going for a very interesting build right here.
Of course.
Very exciting map.
Too easy, man.
Nej, der er gået 11 minutter, og jeg har ikke nogen her.
Jo, jeg har en her.
Kæft, jeg har en fucking stor her, man. Get ready, seriøst.
Gat ringer. Så gik. Hej. Hvad med dine brods?
Directive confirmed.
Så spørger jeg lige.
Hvordan vidste du det?
And he's gonna spot the command set. Oh my god, this is a huge takedown for Jabal.
For Jabal.
Havde du købt forkert, John?
Ja, jeg havde.
Nå, jeg troede, det kunne være sindssygt, hvis du havde tænkt dig at gøre det.
Hvorfor?
Så ville han ikke vide, de kom, de der. Den du kan købe med den der.
Nå,
Det kunne være sindssygt.
Nå, det vidste jeg ikke engang.
And he's at the main entrance. Both armies at the wrong side of this game. He's gonna jump out with his aliens, getting back inside. Hoping to close the door soon enough. He's not. He's still rushing out with his men. What is he doing? Is he gonna close the entrance? Is he gonna close it? And he closed it. God, this is a base race. Heyman is inside the base. He's gonna go for the kills. While Jabal, he's going for the second expansion, getting some probes, getting some towers, trying to kill the pylon, which is not that useful because there's still gonna be one tower open. Oh my god, the Stalkers is just too much for Jabal. I think this is a GG right here. And Alba takes the victory.
Jeg bliver altid for aggressiv. Jeg kan aldrig finde ud af, hvad så bliver jeg ved med at spawn mænd deroppe. Det er så fucking dumt.
Okay.
Oh shit.
No. Okay.
Var det spændende?
Er du fri?
Fuck, jeg fik meget
Jeg ved ikke, hvad vi
XP.
skal gøre.
Det var da sindssygt. Og så fik jeg noget ny portræt også. Hvor sindssygt, mand.
Jeg er blank.
70!
Har du en AP på 70?
Ja!
Så
Hvad er jeg på?
Akker er på.
Ikke 60.
Jeg ved ikke, hvad vi gør.
Fuck, mand. Hvor sindssygt 70.
Jeg er ikke snart med Mikkel.
Skal vi tage et til Bill?
Skal vi?
Det er jo ikke noget med Mikkel at gøre, om vi kommer til. Altså, vi kan jo ikke.
2 sekunder.
Vent lige, vent. Sygt comeback. Jeg ved ikke.